Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So last week was an amazing week, guys, for AMC, but we cannot forget that even if AMC is the star, we have some very nice breakout signal on GameStop. So in this video, I want to make a big update on GameStop and show you all the different scenarios as usual and give you my preferred one. Let's get into it. So let's start on the 4 hours time frame and let's check what we having here. So we had a very nice week, even like the past 2 weeks were actually very good. So let me get rid for now of the counting and I'm going to do it again with you. Let me remind you the situation. I did my last video around the 220 level and I told you that I'm not sure if we're going to correct right now or not, that we are bullish as long as we stay above this trend line here. So for now, we are still above this trend line. And let's see how high we go. I told you that I doubt we go to the 290 level before correcting. We went to 270, guys. So 268.79, which is very, very good, guys, because we took some energy. We went very high, so now we can correct, in time and in spot in a more quiet way, I would say. I mean, the correction doesn't need to go too low to be a correction. So we're gonna still follow this trend line here that is gonna help us. Let me first remind you a bit the situation that I'm telling you about for a very long time. So basically, we needed here to break the 200 level. That is what I have on the log scale, guys. If you try to do it yourself, don't forget to use the log scale, otherwise it's not going to work. So here we have the breakout that happened here. So this is very good. This is very bullish. This is the reason why I expect some very strong moves to come as well. But we have time, guys. We have time. We're going to do some Elliott wave counting right now. So we don't know if the one is complete yet or not. That's true. So for now, let's say it's a 1. Okay, the 2. I'm not sure, now that we went here, the 2 can correct only to here. And maybe 3, 4, 5. All right. We are looking for something like this. This is what we're looking for. This is what we're going to get, I believe. And now we're going to hourly time frame, guys. Basically, what I'm trying to do right now is to know if the first wave is complete or not. And I'm going to give you the answer very soon, at least how I think I can find it. And then we're going to try to see what might happen this week. So first, let's go here inside this wave. Bam. And let's do some Elliott wave counting on the hourly time frame. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Easy. Here ABC and here. Okay. So most likely we're having something like this. And here our little ABCs. Okay. And so right now, if this is correct, we're having a 1, 2, 3, 4, and so we're waiting for 5. So same a bit like AMC. Let me put it a different color. So I just wanted to show you how I do my counting. I go inside each wave and I break it down and I try to find something that is fitting good. This to me is fitting very nicely because I can find 5 waves in my first and third wave. So right now you can see that here this went below here. So this to me signals that this one is complete. So we're gonna have the fourth wave here coming. Same a bit like for AMC, guys. AMC was much stronger, but basically those cycles, they happen together. I think you have noticed that. So of course my analysis actually gives me a bit the same time stamps for each event to happen. So here, what is likely to happen, guys? So once again, I think this week is going to be a quiet week. Doesn't mean the market is not going to move strongly. It's just that it's going to come back to some levels like a magnet. So I think the magnet on GameStop going to be the 220 level. So I expect probably here a rebound. All right, then it's gonna correct, and here, guys, is very important what is going to happen. Either we break this and we go lower, and this actually tells you that the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, this first wave is complete. Then we're going to correct a bit lower, probably maybe to the 109 level. This is possible. But if here we hold and actually we go higher like this means we're doing here this 5th wave. So this is very interesting to notice, and we're going to have the answer of this very soon during the week. So once again, guys, here I expect a rebound. Here, after the rebound, when the market is going to correct, because basically either we're having an ABC So the ABC would be like this. Okay, ABC, you know, it can be flat, zigzag, triangle. You know, guys, right now how this works. So either we have something like this. So I don't know how high the B wave is going to go, but the higher it goes, the better it is. You understand that? Because if it goes here, then it cannot be a zigzag. It can only be a flat or a triangle. So let's see where the B wave is going. And it can also be like this. Then we can have a zigzag here, and then it can even go higher. If this happens quickly, we can go quickly like this in 3-4 days and then go higher here. Or we already had the small ABC here. No, sorry, then it wouldn't be like this. Sorry, it would be like this. Okay. And then we're doing a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Possible as well, guys. All right. So the second wave cannot be below the first wave. So this is why 220 is a trend line, but is also a level that if we rebound and then go below, it eliminates this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I'm making here. So then we can have something like this, you see? So let's see what is playing out. This is possible as well. And so that's why you need to check, guys. We're going to have a rebound. I don't guarantee, but 90% chance we have a rebound first. And then either we break 220 or we go higher. So if we go higher, it means that what is happening is that we are completing this first wave that is actually going to go to higher levels. If this is not the case, then it means the first wave here is complete. We're correcting either to 220. Once again, same thing, but wider, longer in time, maybe deeper, same as for AMC, guys. Once again, those two are going to go together. So you can even use some signals on GameStop to make some trades on AMC. You know, this works. This is what I like to do, for example, with the S&P 500. I trade on indices. I check the S&P 500. If the S&P 500 gives me nice signals on the upside, then I'm going to buy some Nikkei. If the Nikkei is down, also Euro stocks, because I know that those markets are going to eventually follow the S&P 500. So when you have two stocks that move together, you can use one stock to give you signals on the other one. That works, and that is smart actually. So here we can also have this. So you have my two scenarios. Either we have a very tight and short correction, and then we go to 300 and then we correct deeper, or we already finished the first wave, we correct right now, we go to retest either the 220, we stay around this level, or worst case scenario, the 190. Look, guys, exactly like AMC did. I remind you that those two are having the same kind of behavior. And AMC, after breaking out, which GameStop just did, it corrected here. It retested this trend line here, guys. You can see this one, the red and green. It retested it here, guys. And then it did the third wave. And the retracement level was quite deep. It was around the 78 FIB retracement level. So just keep in mind that this is what can happen as well on GameStop. So this gives us actually even the 165 level. So I'm not saying we go there. First, because the trend line here is higher. So this is going to hold the price, I think. I don't think we're going to break 195, sorry. But we still have some bullish scenarios where we do. So once again, this is a longer term analysis. To get the answers before actually the market makes the move, we need to zoom in and do the same kind of reasoning, build, find the different scenarios and eliminate them one by one. So once again, the 220 level is going to be key to know what is happening. If we break it, we go to 195, probably then rebound. If we hold it, then we're going to hold here and probably go to the 300 level quicker than expected. So let's quickly have a look at the option market. So what do we have? GameStop is now trading at 220. So you see it's more quiet, guys. We only have 6% of short interest. On AMC, we're having 16% of synthetic short. So GameStop is lagging for now behind AMC. But the potential is quite huge. We can go up to 17%. The volatility is at 223. I'm here talking about the July maturity. So it's much lower than AMC. We're still having those, crazy amount of call options on the upside. That to me is confirming that, we're going to have some gamma squeeze to help the price action develop higher. when the strong moves are gonna come, and we started the third wave of a larger degree wave counting, so it's gonna come soon, I think. Not much to say here, actually. There is nothing new. You know, the volatility stays at good levels, so it's actually maybe the time to buy some nice option strategies on the upside. I'm gonna show you this in my next video. So here, yeah, that's all I have for you in terms of short interest. I'm waiting for the 28th of May data to arrive. It is not here yet. The volumes are not that big, guys, 13 million shares. So we are still waiting for the volumes to kick in stronger. The short interest for now is at 26%, synthetic on the option market and regular short interest. So the 1 month day to cover DTC is at 2.4 and 1.2 for the weekly. So once again, those levels are very far from the short squeeze levels. And I think that, you know, the scenario that might happen to get the real squeeze is first we go to 800, then the hedge funds are going to short massively GameStop. They're not going to resist, and then they can get squeezed. So this is what to me might happen if GameStop goes to the target of 800. So that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to click on the sub, like, and bell button, so you're going to be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore. I'll see you guys.